Ever dreamt of a world where your money truly belongs to you? Where no one can track your transactions, and your financial freedom is absolute. Today, we're diving deep into Beam, a cryptocurrency that aims to make this dream a reality. But before we explore its unique features, let's tackle the burning question: what currency is Beam Wallet in? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. Building context. Now, you might be thinking, isn't Beam its own currency? And you'd be partially right. Beam is a cryptocurrency, meaning it exists digitally and operates independently of traditional banking systems. However, it's not just another digital coin. Beam is built on a groundbreaking technology called Mimblewimble, a privacy-focused protocol that enhances anonymity and fungibility. Think of it this way: traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin leave a trail of transactions on the blockchain. This trail, while publicly available, can reveal sensitive information about users. Beam, on the other hand, utilizes Mimblewimble to conceal transaction amounts and addresses, making it incredibly difficult to track or link them to specific individuals. This heightened privacy is a major selling point for many users. Addressing the core question. So, back to our original question: what currency is Beam Wallet in? The answer is simple: Beam. Beam Wallet operates exclusively with the Beam cryptocurrency. This means you'll be using Beam to send, receive, and store value within the Beam ecosystem. You won't find any other currencies supported within the native Beam wallet. Exploring the benefits of Beam. But what does this mean for you? Well, operating on its own currency gives Beam several key advantages. Enhanced privacy. As mentioned earlier, Beam's focus on privacy is unparalleled. By using Beam within its own ecosystem, you maximize your anonymity and minimize your digital footprint. Increased control. When you use a currency within its native environment, you have greater control over your funds. You're not subject to the volatility of exchange rates, and you can transact directly without relying on intermediaries. Community focus. By using Beam within its ecosystem, you directly support the growth and development of the Beam community. This fosters a stronger, more independent network. Optional. Include a brief, visually engaging section showcasing a simple Beam transaction or a demonstration of a key privacy feature within the Beam wallet. Addressing potential concerns. Now, you might be wondering, how do I acquire Beam? Good question. Beam can be purchased on various cryptocurrency exchanges. Once acquired, you can easily transfer your Beam to your Beam wallet. And what about security? Beam employs advanced cryptographic techniques to protect your funds. However, as with any cryptocurrency, it's crucial to practice good security habits, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Conclusion. In conclusion, Beam is a unique cryptocurrency that prioritizes user privacy and control. By operating on its own currency, Beam offers a secure and independent ecosystem for its users. If you value your financial freedom and are seeking a truly private and secure cryptocurrency, Beam might be worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.